For number 41, find the volume of the solid of revolution formed by rotating the region bounded by the parabola y equals x squared and the line y equals 0 and x equals 2 about the x-axis. So A, 2 pi over pi, B, pi over pi, C, 32 pi over pi, and D, pi over pi. So the correct answer is letter C. Solution. Using this method, V equals pi integral 2 to 0 times x squared dx equals pi integral 2 to 0 equals 2 times 2 x raised to 4 dx equals pi x to the pi raised over pi times 2 to 0 equals pi 5 times 2 equals 32 over pi. So the correct answer is 32 pi over pi.